Hi, and welcome to Watch, Learn, Create. I'm Sarah, and today I'll be showing you how to create a simple yet flavorful pasta dish using Olivieri fresh pasta and sauces. Today we'll be using the Olivieri 4-cheese sauce, which is my absolute favorite. We'll also be using the Olivieri classic marinara and one package of the Olivieri asparagus and cheese cannelloni. You know, cannelloni makes a great healthy lunch. Simply pair one or two of these with a side salad and you've got yourself a well-balanced, quick and easy meal. But what we're about to create today is a meal that will certainly make you wow your guests. I'm going to begin by taking the Olivieri 4-cheese sauce and pouring that over the bottom of our casserole dish here. It smells delicious already. I'm then going to take the cannelloni and place it neatly seam side down into the casserole dish. Now we're taking our Olivieri classic marinara sauce and pouring it over the cannelloni. Be sure to coat every inch of the pasta. Now all we have left to do is pop it into the oven for 20 minutes on 450 degrees. If you're short on time, Olivieri fresh cannelloni is also microwavable. Use the exact same method we did here for the oven, but instead pop it in the microwave for 6 to 8 minutes. The cannelloni is ready and it smells absolutely amazing. I like to serve my meals on plain white plates. This way, the food then becomes the main focus. Now to finish today, we're just going to add a finishing touch by using some beautiful fresh Parmesan and some fresh basil. Doesn't that look amazing? And trust me when I say, it tastes just as good as it looks. You've watched, you've learned, and now it's time for you to create.